Hey, what's up you guys? It's your girl Damo and I'm back with another video. But before we get into this video, if you new here, please hit that subscribe button down below. And if you're oldie, what's poppin'? But I really miss you guys on YouTube. I miss making videos, editing. I miss the whole 9 yards. So hopefully this time I could stay consistent with it. You know, the weather's getting colder, so it's not really much we could be doing right now, being that, you know, COVID is still running rampant. But hopefully I'm able to remain consistent. I know I've been MIA for a little while and I apologize, but I'm back. So let's get right into this video right now. So as you guys already know from the thumbnail, this is most definitely a super steal video. I love when I bring you guys my super steals because I'm just putting you guys on to a way that you could save a little bit of coin. Like, everybody likes to get a deal, everybody likes to save money, and this is why I do these videos, just to show you guys that you can still get the poppin' in sneakers or bags or whatever, but you don't always have to pay retail for them. So today I have my Nike Air Max 1 DNA Shies. These are the Nike and Tinker Hatfield collaboration. I believe it was a pair of Huaraches and also a pair of Air Max 1s that, you know, came out. Or maybe it was 2. I believe it might have been 2 pairs of Air Max 1s. But the pair that I got was, here's my receipt. The pair that I got was the green Air Max 1s. So what they look like. These are actually created after the Nike Huaraches, which were the Scream Greens. I really want to get my hands on those, but you know, it is what it is. Maybe one day they'll come across my path and I'll be able to pick them up. But for now, I got the Air Max 1s and I love this colorway. I think this colorway it's a slept on colorway, but it's so clean. You could throw these on with an all gray sweatsuit and be fly. Just let your sneakers do the talking. Like, our outfits don't have to be loud all the time. Just let your shoes be the little pop of color that you need. But I love these. So let's get into the super steal part about these sneakers, okay? So the retail on these, I believe, were $130, and of course I did not pay retail for these, and I got them in a size 6. So retail was $130 for these. I actually paid, they were on sale for $69. I had a coupon for like $16 off. I actually paid $52.90 including shipping and tax. They came up to $63.17. I pretty much got a little bit over 50% off of these sneakers. Like, that's a dope super steal. And again, I don't believe I mentioned it, but shout outs to Premier Skate Shop. Their sneaker selection is amazing. Like, you guys should check them out. They are amazing. I done shouted them out in a couple of my videos, but make sure you check them out. I'll link their website down below so you guys can shop with them. These are a super must-have in my collection. I love this colorway. Like, this green is magical. This green with this cobalt blue, magical. And I don't think that the camera's picking it up, but these aren't like a pure white. They have like a little, like a grayish tint to them, so it's not a all pure white sneaker. But I just, you know, I love that it breaks up the white sole and the white laces, so it gives it a little more, you know, a little more pizzazz to it. But these are dope, and ooh, I just can't wait to wear these out. Like, so you got the Scream Green on the inside and the sock lining. You got the cobalt blue right here. There's a cobalt blue on the tongue along with the Scream Green Nike swoosh. Comes with white laces. You got the black swoosh, which matches the black sole. And then you have the Nike Air and Scream Green, which is just a cute little touch to the bottom of the sneaker. These are my Nike Air Max 1s DNA Shies, super steal, size 6 in men's. So as always, thank you guys for joining me in my video, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. So make sure you hit that subscribe button so you'll be up to date with everything that I'm putting out. So until next time, I will see you guys later. Peace.